In this video, I'll show you how to create a clean blur transition in Davinci Resolve. Perfect for music videos or fast-paced edits. Let's start by going to the Effects panel and searching for Adjustment Clip. Drag it onto your timeline and place it so that it covers 5 frames before and 5 frames after your cut point. This gives the transition a smooth and even flow on both sides. Next, go back to the Effects panel and search for Directional Blur. Drag it onto the adjustment clip to apply the effect. Now, make sure your playhead is positioned exactly at the cut point. In the inspector, under the Open FX settings, increase the blur strength to 1 and add a keyframe. Then, move the playhead to the start of the adjustment clip and bring the blur strength back down to 0. Move the playhead to the end of the adjustment clip and do the same. Set the blur strength to 0. This creates a smooth blur that peaks right at the cut, giving you that clean, dynamic transition effect. You can adjust the blur angle in the inspector to match the motion of your footage, whether it's horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. And that's it! You now have a clean blur transition that adds style and motion to your edits without any plugins or complex setup.